Man, what's up guys? My favorite part, starting this car. Yes, sir. I think I'm gonna have trouble, guys, with getting the GoPro where I want it because, I mean, I probably can mount it over here or something, you know, like there. But like, far as like holding the mouthpiece in, this car is so low. I sit so low in the seat too. Surprisingly, the hood, like, I'm not sure if y'all can see out. I don't know if y'all can see my shifter. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit. Anyway, so today the goal is not to stall this freaking car. That's my goal for the day. We're not gonna stall it. I need to fill up this car. It's almost on E. Probably should do that first, actually. It took me $83 last time to fill up this freaking car, bro. Like, it's small, but the tank is apparently big. Dang, even the racetrack gas is $5.33, G. Sheesh. How much we think we gonna take to fill this joint up? I don't even know. All right, let's see what we got, fellas, what we got. $89.60, bro. Sheesh. 89 bucks, bro. But I need this receipt for YouTube purposes, G. You feel me? Go ahead, start this baby up. Yes, sir. I'm getting about 17 miles. Uh-oh, my bad. I was getting about 17 miles a gallon, so it's not bad. Oh, there's another Camaro. Okay. Oh, it's female driven too. There we go. Yeah, got a little on it for a little bit right there. I gotta work on my shifting, getting faster with my shifting for sure. But hey, that's not too bad though. That wasn't too bad. What's your name, bro? Kevin. Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Q. I just seen him pulling up, bro. Look at his GMC, bro. You know the setup on it all? 6-inch. 35 with 20 by 12, look like?
Yeah, I just had it as all around.
Okay, so you just did you said chrome delete.
Yeah.
And then 5% all around the window?
35 on the windshield and 5% all around.
Ooh, it is dark, bro. It's hella dark. It looked good when you rolled up. I was like, damn. Oh yeah, this is TIS wheels. I got the same. I got TIS, but not this trim. But yeah, I mean it's clean. Got the bed cover on it, man. But anyway, you don't got the IG yet for the truck, right?
Yeah, not yet. Keep working on it.
All right, man. So I don't want to put him. All right, he ain't want to be on camera, so I ain't gonna put him on camera. But this thing is gorgeous, bro. This thing is nice.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen.
Man, guys, I can tell y'all one thing I love about it so far. It's way easier to watch this than it is to watch freaking Red. Oh my goodness. This is 10 times faster. I'm so excited. You're getting a little closer look at the car. I can definitely tell the owner tracked it. Right down here, there's like some tar in the paint, you know, things like that. But that's what the car is meant for. It's meant to be driven, bro. Also noticed when I was cleaning the wheels, you can really take this towel and get really deep up in here, like, and really get the inside of that wheel. On my truck, you can't do that with like a special tool or brush. I do want to tell y'all that the previous owner did PPF the car. I saw this one day. I was like, why is this line? I'm not sure if y'all can see it. It's a line going straight across. So Caden and James told me, hey, the car is PPF. I'm like, what do you mean? They're like, you see that line right there? I had no idea. And I saw the line, I just didn't know what it was. And also you can tell here, right here as well, is PPF. So the whole front end is actually PPF'd. So I don't really worry about getting dings and things like that because the car does sit really, what that is, manual though. The car sits really low, so I don't have to worry about getting, you know, rocks, chips and all that. So I'm curious if he PPF down here too. Oh yeah, he did. This whole thing is PPF, guys. So yeah, so that is a plus, because if you don't know, PPF is pretty expensive. All right guys, that's it. She's all clean and done. Man, this car looks good. Boy, it has a good, I love the stance on it. But I might get those wheels come out maybe a little further if I can in the back. Because the front sits pretty good. I'm definitely gonna black out those side markers. You know, eventually maybe if I, you know, keep going with it, lower it down a little bit more, maybe half an inch or inch. But yeah, we'll get into all that down the road maybe. But yeah, it's all clean now, baby. For sure. Yes, good looking car, man. Sheesh. Yeah, we get those back wheels sitting out a little bit more. It's gonna look dope. And get it lowered. Yeah. Woo. All right, guys. So my coworker here, my man,
What's up?
the one and only Galaviz Mono, is gonna drive the Camaro. So he has driven the manual, but it's been a long time, right?
Been a long time.
It's been a long time. So
I learned that you just grind it until you find it.
he's gonna drive it back to the office. It's unlocked. All right. This will be my first time riding on the passenger side. You definitely probably gotta move your seat up.
You think?
So you say it's been a long time. How long?
I test drove a manual when my son was still in his mama's belly. And he's 18 years old.
So it's been a while.
So it's been a minute.
Okay, there you go.
Oh shit!
Oh, it's taking you back, my man.
I did all that work.
You got my seat position, yeah.
Cute little long-legged.
All right, there we go. Turn it off. I think you can lift the seat up too, man.
Yeah, I can't see above the.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
I gotta get my high chair.
Yeah. And like I said, just get comfortable. Play with it. Pull the clutch out. Now, let me turn rev match on for you.
Okay.
There we go. So that means, yeah, we talked about that earlier. There you go. Parking brake.
What is that?
What's that right there?
Sort of thing.
Oh, go back. Go back to neutral. You got to hold the brake and release it at the same time. So you got to put your foot on the brake and now release the parking brake. You see the top left corner?
Yeah.
Went away? Yeah, there you go.
All right.
Now you're ready to go. Yeah.
I gotcha. You got a camera on your rear view. That's kind of cool.
Yep. Camera.
That looks good.
Yep. So
Where
first.
do you get out here? This way?
That way. All right. Okay. It's been a minute. Once you find, if you can get out of first that easy, man, you're pretty good, dude.
I'm not gonna haul ass in the car.
There you go. Nah, as long as you break, you buy. No. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not hard to drive at all, dude. So you see, if you downshift, you'll see on top of that rev matches, like
Okay.
it's just gonna find it for you, like. Zoom.
Just let the drivers know that I intend to turn right.
You see that? Yeah. So I'm guessing that when you grew up driving manual, it was a lot harder than this.
Yeah, the clutch was a little bit.
Okay, now you got it. Look. Clutch probably a lot harder.
Yeah, and the gears weren't as tight.
Yeah.
Of course, that's how old I'm gonna tell you. My first manual was a Datsun hatchback.
Datsun hatchback.
Yeah, they don't even make Datsuns anymore.
Okay.
1970.
Yeah.
Primer gray. They didn't have paint on it.
Primer gray. So
Yeah.
you said Datsun. I gotta look. I'll put a picture right there so y'all can see.
It was like a early 70s Datsun.
Yeah.
So, little hatchback.
Yeah.
It was cool. Called it a little gray mouse. When I got rid of it, I had to, because the floorboards were starting to get holes and I could smell the gas of the engine on it.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, you got it pretty good, man.
Oh, you got heads-up display.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
So he
yeah.
There's a display up there. Yeah, man. Man, you get out of first smooth, dude.
Thanks, man.
You gotta teach me. How the hell you doing that? Did you feel it skip to 4?
I did. I don't like that.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was telling about. It automatically goes to 4th gear for you. So now, yeah, I don't like that either. I got to see if you can turn it off. But dude, you come out of first smooth. Are you gassing it first?
A little bit at the same time.
Man, it's like a little blip and then you were just off.
Yep.
I'm holding it like, you know.
And I just kind of, I think I am revving up a little bit more than you're supposed to, but.
No, it felt smooth. It sounded smooth. It didn't feel like you was, It was just like I saw it blip and you was gone. What do you think about the blind spots? Do you see what people talking about with those?
You talking about,
Yeah.
Especially on your side.
Yeah, exactly. Looking over. That's why this is very, very helpful. Man, I'm impressed, man. I guess it's like riding a bike. You never forget, huh?
Riding a bike, man.
You never forget.
Now you making me want to turn in Big Blue and get one.
Yeah, you're smooth on the first. Once you got out of the first law, he's good.
Yeah.
He's good. He knows exactly what he's doing. But I can see how it's a lot easier to drive compared to back in the day.
Very tight right here.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Go up a lot.
No, it's very tight gearbox for sure. That's how I accidentally go from freaking 4th to 3rd sometimes. It's super tight gearbox. How we like it.
Go home and tell my wife, baby.
Yeah, she gonna let me come around no more. You want a train horn, and now you want a freaking manual sports car? Just stop hanging out with Quincy.
I went and looked at Jeeps this weekend.
Okay,
Thinking I wanted a Jeep Wrangler.
Oh, okay, yeah. Like the Rubicon style? Yeah.
But they want too much Gita for that.
I do that.
Yeah.
Would you trade it? What you gonna keep the truck too?
No, I was gonna trade it in.
Oh, you can't trade the truck for the Rubicon. No, not for a Jeep, man. Maybe the Gladiator.
Yeah, no, I didn't like.
You didn't like the Gladiator?
I want a good old fashioned Jeep.
Okay. You had one back in the day?
No, but I had friends that did, and they were fun to play with.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, they are fun. They just on the highway, man. Like you only can get like 80 miles. They're not fast.
No, they're not.
They're cruising, but you don't really probably do a lot of highway driving.
Oh man, and I'm old. I don't go fast no more.
But what you think?
Nice car.
Nice car.
Congratulations, man.
Thanks, man. You did well, man. I'm impressed.
Thanks for letting me drive it.
Yeah, no problem, man. I want to see you come out of first again. That probably make you stall and mess up or something. Do it again. Look, so you just releasing it and giving it a little gas. You can see the RPMs over there. Okay. I'm gonna try to teach Brielle. She's like, how you gonna teach me when you can't even drive it?
It's a nice little dance.
There it is. Yeah, dude, you're smooth off it, man. Anyway, guys, he likes it. He did a great job driving it.
Yep.
Appreciate y'all watching. He said peace. You got an Instagram for to follow you or anything?
I do not. I hope you, man. I don't even know what you recorded me on.
Oh man, that's funny. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. That was a quick video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll catch y'all next one. Peace.
And I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague.